Hey everyone, welcome back to this short video. This video is to inform you that Ideogram has launched a new version, Ideogram 1.0. Shortly, I will show you how to access Ideogram 1.0. It's super competitive and going head to head with Midjourney and DALL-E 3. In version 1.0, Ideogram has added some new features like getting more aspect ratio options for generating images, and what really I like is the magic prompt. You can enable, disable or set it to auto. The advantage of magic prompt is that you don't need to write a detailed prompt. AI itself understands your prompt and improve it. You can use the magic prompt very creatively. For instance, look at this video of mine. In this video, I explained how you can use AI to do face swaps in videos. If I need to generate a thumbnail for this video or get an idea for a thumbnail, I can use Ideogram. Let me give you an example. This is my video about swapping faces in videos. Now I will go to Ideogram and write in the prompt, create a video thumbnail for me. Also, I will provide my video title, how to swap faces in videos with a free AI tool. Then I will select the landscape aspect ratio, turn on the magic prompt and click on generate. After that, Ideogram will generate 4 images for me that I can use as a thumbnail or grab some cool ideas for my videos. Ideogram AI is the best in terms of understanding the prompts coherently. It excels at creating realistic content, especially in text. It outperforms Midjourney and DALL-E 3 quite impressively. If you wanna give it a try, just go to ideogram.ai and link is also in the description. Then sign up with your Google account and start using it. You can play with magic prompt settings here, turn it on, off or let it do its things. Don't forget to use version 1.0. You can pick that right here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and thanks a bunch for hanging out. Catch you in the next one.